Hi guys, welcome back to Kiera TV. So I try to make one film. I not try. We did our best, Brittany and Shanice and myself, because I'm here for your shooting. Most of the part them are not going to really see me in. You understand? So right now, Brittany I hold the camera for respect. Big up yourself, Brittany, on about it. Brittany I hold the camera for me talk. So. Hope you enjoy the film still. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you are new and hit the post notification bell. And to the young girl them, I know you have some friends that are convincing, but don't follow them. Be a leader, not a follower. And a special thanks to Brittany for helping me out with this film. She did well as a mother. And thanks to Shanice. I did want to show her but Shanice gone. Thank you and hope you enjoy this film. Please go and go watch it now. Respect and love. Thanks to everybody. Peace. What one girl?
There, you know, I free.
Why me I tell us I'm tired of school? Why me tired me no know. School now make no sense. Like every day I wake up, me bathe, me eat, put on uniform, go to school. I'm still not learning nothing. I'm still in a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 class. No, brother me. But yeah, spark still. Why going to do school?
School are going good for me, you know.
Me know you love the school business. Anyways, I want proposition me have for you. Me have one little thing what me do. Where 9 time when my mother send me go to bed, I come through the window. Yes. And me have one little man, one rich man, who bought with the night time and sit with him and his friend them. I will make like 50,000 and them money there. So you don't have to go to school again. Yes, you want to come with me?
Boy, you know, so that not going to work for me, though.
Shanice, you not tired to go to school?
No.
Yo, just make we deal with it something now. Yeah. You're dead. So you want me to... I will be doing this, Shanice, just fall now we deal with the thing now.
No, man, the mother not go alright with that, you know.
Me know so she not go alright with it, but she not think go nothing well going. Yeah, make money with you, go be alright. So sometimes mother not no money to she get one money when she asks you to say sweetie you still at school.
That's true.
But me not force you still. Bye.
Yeah.
Where you go? How much time is left to part with Betty dirty butterfoot girl? Eh? Shanice, how much time is left to top par with Betty dirty butterfoot butter ears girl? When not top take man from all about. Eh? You want me to lick you down? Eh?
No.
No what? Talk to me. Me tell you now. Since you par with all bad breed girl there, I pay a short answer you give me and pay back and say you know busy boy. When me talk to you, you must say, no, mommy. Yes, mommy. What me say?
No, mommy.
What me say? Eh?
Stop par Betty butter girl.
Me say, top par with Betty, dirty, butter ears, butterfoot girl. That me say, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Good. Find your ass in the yard. I'm a driver. Come here. Go and meet your daddy down the road. And that's why I did come to you. I want good too. You work like say somebody touch you.
Thank you.
What do you wear your face so long?
You're my mother and my sister.
You know why you're and do what me I do?
You want to know what do you say still?
Yeah.
Come on, come on, some money to come out of the house.
Long time, where you wait for long time. You catch up back with your mother. Miss me realize when time I walk off and me see she call about, oh yeah, what she done there? I said to you, come I know see your mother don't like me, you know.
She talk about me fit up for Betty Butterfoot years daughter.
Betty Butterfoot years daughter way. But better that. Alright, make that fun. Me like your mother, girl. Me love your mother bad.
Janice.
Evening,
Yes,
Miss
mommy.
Janet.
Evening.
So make you answer me so.
So how you dress to Company Road? How Miss Betty make you dress to Company Road?
My
You
mother
know,
no business for me, you know, me can dress anyway. Plus, me a hot girl when me a doing a long pack and tights and the blouse like Shanice. You know, see your time hot.
come go up to your mother. Me need to talk to my picking. Come here, little girl. Say if I say you go turn up for the rest of the night, you can't turn up. If you want to go to your mother, you go to your mother. Come here. You see you? You see how me struggle with your little girl?
Stop drop up picking man. Later, Shanice.
Are you did carry her come here, Rami? It look like you did help me carry her come here. How much time me I go want you? Me just want you 5 minutes ago. And you find your little wheelie tail come back here so with Miss Betty Dusty Butter Ears Butterfoot girl. Eh? How much time I go want you about her? You know you're gonna make me kill you? Cause me now gonna make you kill me. So me I will kill you first cause I me carry you come here. So me have all the authority and powers to kill you. I will send you back where you come from, you know? Don't make me have to send you back where you come from, little girl. A man you want to start take?
No, man.
I must see that's why you walk so wide. Me realize you're not even your panty them. Anytime you pin your panty them pan line, you start hide them now. Sunlight can't catch fear as them. Look here. Come get in the yard. Right now the devil tell me to do something to you, see man. Hurry up and wheel your ass to the yard, man. Watch here, watch here.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep fighting this up. Yeah, talk so loud. Me and mother did. That be funny.
Boy.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. And yeah, so we are going now. But me I go in first and let you go second. Then I really like so, do you understand? So me I go in first and then you go after, okay?
Me I broke him up, watch here, alright, you saying catch up. Hey girl. Are you say you catch up? No, don't laugh with me. Don't laugh with me. Are you say you catch up, Shanice? Shanice, what me do? Hmm? If an iPhone, you want iPhone, me buy you. Me do every government thing to make sure say you're comfortable in the yard. And you don't stop walk from boat to stand your ball. You don't stop bounce, 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 bounce. You bounce from pillar to post and you're not homeless. Shanice,
Yes, mommy.
you want my blood pressure flip in my head and kill me?
No, mommy.
So we are, me cannot stay in the yard, me just stay in the yard and see you out yesterday. Yes, you live? Eh?
No, mommy.
You don't know your address? Eh?
Yes, mommy.
So what you do out here, so? You have something out here you hope to achieve? I must extra lesson you come here to come do. You have to look like you're school. Jesus Christ, that little girl will kill me. You know what? Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do, because me now make you kill me. Me can you come here, but me now make you send me go back. Tanya! Don't follow me now, don't follow me. You don't live with me. You don't live on me yard, come back. If you live on me yard, when me send you go, me wouldn't catch up your stuff. Don't follow me now. But Jesus Christ, you know what I say? Me picking here stress me. Me man has stressed me. When my kid left, he sitting on the bed, so you know, so rush her answer go drive off for the bed when I day there. And any day them day, then drive off for the bed, they drive through the grill. I mean, not take it up, you know, me not take it up, because I'm a house girl. Me stress. Christ, brother. Them people, they all kill me after the place. Janice. Yeah, me get your miss call, man. Me did up on the road and search for the little old butter ears, butterfoot girl. Cause it look like she no want nothing out her life. Janice, your niece out here I go kill me off. And I cannot take it no more. Me I go send her go home, you know. Me I go send her go a girl's home. Cause I can't take it no more. The lily girl that top run up and down with Miss Betty little butter ears, butterfoot girl. Yes, the same one. Ain't he the same little one with the catch round the house back with feel little boy. I don't know what them nowadays picking here. Me no. Put her on which phone after she not there. She not gone with the little girl I'm tell about. No, but that's about Kit. Him are the next one. See me coming at the house a while ago. The same way he eat the food. I see him saying left it on the bed. It look like I see the bed and he left to eat the food. Rat roach our ants are gonna dry him out of the house. That me know for sure. No, me not turn with him. Is either me put him out or him put me out. But me not turn with him. Me most likely to not get put out because I am the wife. The man and the picking out to kill me off. I don't know what me take up myself so me are doing at this life. Hey, you turn there. Me not give nobody a next chance. You know how much chance me I give? That the little girl, she just turned 16. But she look like he left high school in peace. Ain't turn woman now. He must smell himself. Look here. Alright. Call me back when you're done. You live here? You live here now? And out there, so I'm gonna catch you. Go back out to the yellow house, honey, because you don't live here. I don't know you. Depart from me, I know you not.
Mommy, me sorry.
So you never know, see you would have sorry before when you do all of them, there's something there. So through me put you out now, you're sorry. Sorry can't buy Larry, miss. Go back outside. You turn big woman now, you're fed up. 2 women can't reign in a one house. Is either kill or be killed. You hear me tell you? What me say? Is either killed or be killed. You know what that mean?
No, man.
Is either me kill you or you kill me. I mean, I'll give you the chance to kill me. That's what me say and that's what me mean.
Mommy, forgive me, please.
Me will forgive you, but me not forget. And you see because me not forget, no come back in here. Pack your bag. I'm at your... Go in the house, pack your bag and come out. What me say if you do?
Go in the house, something like
That's right. Go run up and down. You see Sharon, butterfoot girl, you not run up and down with? Or a Betty? He has so much name because she walk on back road, he have plenty name. Go with Miss Betty, little girl. Go hit the road. Make she put you up. Since that's she, you have follow. Go make she put you up. If she can take you out of my place, then she must have somewhere to put you. No little girl, you have nothing about you. And you really are go for them. Ah, I see. So you didn't really want to come out, you just like wait for the opportunity for me. Give you the permission to come out. Okay.
Yeah, hello, Kiera.
Yeah, girl, walk on.
No, say. A friend time I turn up out I wait for her girl. Mother see me.
Really?
Yeah.
So what she say?
She not put me out.
Box. So what y'all gonna do?
I don't know me how to do. Can come stay with you.
Girl, and me say I go stay in my house cause me not no space in my yard and my mother we cuss. You want to stay in my boyfriend's house?
Yeah man, we do that man.
Alright, so you pack your bag already?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I come meet you. Alright. Go on pack your bag, go on in.
Ready.
Brittany made now cut off.
Yeah, come. So make she come over more. Hold it, tap this on more.
Good yourself?
You.
Let that off, mad girl.
I am trying to.
I see your fat and short. Ready? You want your Chinese? Alright, ready? Alright. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Take off my laugh. What going, girl?
Babe.
Boy, me I tell them, tear that talk loud. Talk loud. Ready again. Go back, come back over, Shanice. Come here again. Ready. Talk loud, though. You see it all right?
Yeah, me see the end of your hand. Me see your hand. No. You could have stay, yeah.
Oh,
Right there, so.
alright.
Good. Me I'll come over here, so.
So come round here, so now. And then you make your step down. Ready? Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the film. Once more, thanks to Brittany and thanks to Shanice for helping me out with this film. It probably not that long, but thanks to them same way. And please do, if you are new, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell. Thanks for visit Kiera TV. Me respect on support. Really appreciate it. It's highly appreciated. What, Brittany? Oh. It's highly mad girl. It's highly appreciated. And what else me have to say? Oh, I want to big up some of my friends them where I support me. Brittany 1010, my mother, not my friend, my mother. Mark from Mandeville. His YouTube name is M Triple Threat. He is an artist. Big up all of my friends. All I want to know who support me. What else? Oh, my birthday. July 2nd is my birthday, guys. And it's going to be my 20th. I want it to be special. So I ask you to please start fix up my gift right now. So by June, second or third week in June, you can start send off my gift, whatever it is. Anything, I don't care. Just make sure someone give me my gift them. I don't care what. I'm not fussy. I'll appreciate it very much. Yeah, guys, anything is highly appreciated. I appreciate anything on have. So if I money, on send it come. If I gift, on wrap up send it anytime I reach. About the phone now, one person contacted me. I'm not sure them ask me about the phone. I'm not sure if them are go. Them never say exactly if them are go. Them just ask if me still need one, whatever. I'm okay. So also that we really need one phone, especially for my birthday, so that we can get some nice pictures and do one little vlog. So me still need help with the phone, so if you have any old one, as we did say in the last video, send it come, or if you want to help me buy one, the next person, 2 person or 3 person can help me and we can get one good one. So thanks for watching again and hope you enjoy. Kiera TV have enough love. Me love you, thanks for the support. Me really appreciate it. Bye. Ready. Alright, so guys, Brittany wants to say something.
Oh yeah, me
Go
can
ahead.
looking at the camera now.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm Brittany, a part of the whole Richard Brown family, Jamie Wood, Kiera TV, Belly and Bang 1010 thing. But in respect or in light of what we just did, I just want to say to the mothers, I'm a mother also. And yes, I was young, so I'm going to understand. Mothers, please stop being so uptight with your children. When you if you hold sand in your hands, the tighter you hold it, the more it finds ways to seep out through your fingers, if you get what I'm saying. So when you're that uptight with your children, they're not going to want to tell you anything. Try your very best to be your children's best friend or a good little friend, you know. Try and find ways and means to go around them and find out what they're doing. I'm not saying you're going to support them having spouses. You can't support your daughters. But if you're supporting your sons to have girlfriends, then you have to support your daughters to have boyfriends too. So I'm not going to bash me. But what I'm really saying is, don't act as if you don't want to hear anything that your daughter comes home with and all of that. Ask her, do you have a boyfriend? What's the relationship like, you know? Because even if you are uptight with them, they're going to find ways and means to go out there and do things. I'm telling you this because I know I need to say nothing more. And some of us as mothers, we were like that when we were younger too. So we need to go inside our children's head, understand what is up there and try our very best to go around it. Now, you must support your pitney and tell them, yes, go have man and whatever, but there's nothing you can do to stop it. So if you find out that your child have a boyfriend or whatever, you just have to sit them down and encourage them. If I even forgive them the condom and the birth control, please. Because I know that the main reason you don't want your daughters having children, sorry, you don't want your daughters having spouses, boyfriends, is because you do not want them getting pregnant out of school or getting pregnant before the time is right for you. So please, if you can't beat them,